Hello everyone, I'm Jasmeet Singh and our group members are Ravijay Singh, Deep Modi, Prabjot Singh and Prabjot Kaur. We choose Toyota company for our group presentation. Here is table of contents. In this slide, I'm going to talk about overview of Toyota company. In 1937, Toyota Motor Company Limited is established and 1957, Toyota entered into the US market. In 1917, Toyota expanded globally, establishing manufacturing plant in United States and United Kingdom and Brazil. In 1982, Toyota launched the Toyota production system. In 1997, the Toyota Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, is introduced. It marks Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability. In 2008, Toyota surpasses General Motors to become the world's largest automaker by vehicles in sale. After 4 years, in 2012, Toyota unveils the Toyota Mirai and hydrogen fuel cell production, demonstrating its commitment to alternative fuel technologies. In 2020, Toyota announced plans to invest heavily in electric vehicles and battery technology, aiming for half of its global sales to be electrified vehicles by 2025. In 2022, Toyota continued to lead in its sustainability effort, emphasizing eco-friendly manufacturing process, carbon neutrality goals, and partnership to promote renewable energy and reduce emissions.
So my name is Deep Mudir and I'm going to present 5 slides today. First of all is introduction of Toyota. Toyota Motors started founded in year 1937 and it's a automotive firm which is located in Toyota, Japan. Uh, it's a record that Toyota vehicles produce more than 10 million automotive vehicles till the year, and its CEO is Koji Sato and the chairperson is Akio Toyoda. Toyota Company 2023 revenue was 279 million US dollars, and Toyota sells vehicles over the 170 countries all over the world. Here is the Toyota's market share, where we can see that Toyota market share is 10.70%, which is too far and too better compared to other automotive vehicle brands. So here is my second slide, where Toyota having three division in the business, which is first of all is automobile related products, second is car electronics and air conditioning components, third is engines. In the business areas, Toyota have the large market in all over the world where they cover Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Taiwan and other countries. Talk about the revenue. Company have more than 1.47 billion workers in all over the world. Also, company last year generated 311.702 billion US dollars within the all over the world. Where the talk about the graph, where we can clearly see that companies yearly revenue is going up by the year by year, because in the 2022 the reported revenue was 31.38, where in 2023 the revenue of company is 37.15. So every company is having a goal for the further, where Toyota has sustainability ESG goals, where environment is the climate change, resource recycling, harmony with nature, and the social is customer, employees, business partners. So in this slide, according to Toyota, this company has the mission to become carbon neutral in the automobile life cycle by 2015. So this company has committed to providing equality product in constant innovation. Moreover, this firm is investing in manufacturing project for renewable energy service, And in year 2020, the company cut 3% of carbon emission from the supply chain. This firm is striving to remove carbon footprint from cars. This firm has announced to purchase carbon credit rather than electric vehicles. So here is the next slide where Toyota, how they meet to the goals. So very first, Toyota is suggested to strengthen the adaptability of knowledge about climate action. Second is Toyota should integrate guidelines and policies regarding climate change. And the third one is implementation of climate changing frameworks such as United Nations Framework Convention.
My name is Prabhjot Kaur. Well, in this slide, I'm going to explain the missions of becoming carbon neutral in the automobile life cycle by 2050. Firstly, investing in electrical vehicles for minimizing emissions, enhancement of technology innovations to reduce emissions in manufacturing processes, while the promotion of renewable energy used in manufacturing facilities and operations to lower carbon footprint, collaborate with suppliers to reduce emissions from supply chain, support carbon emissions projects like renewable energy initiatives for reduce emissions throughout the automobile life cycle industry. Well, in previous slide, I already talked about AI solutions. Now, in this slide, I'm going to explain about solutions. Well, the development of electrical vehicles and plug-in hybrid electrical vehicles have lower emissions as compared to traditional engine vehicles. While the generation of electricity from renewable sources offers a variety of electrical vehicles and plug-in hybrid electrical vehicles model cater to different market preferences. Lightweight vehicles design and energy efficient the improvement of vehicle designs and enhance energy efficiency and reducing weight will lead to lower emissions throughout the electrical vehicle. Vehicle architecture to improve fuel energy economy as well as reduce emissions during the productions. Well, investment in research and development of new technologies, for example, turbocharged engines, mild hybrid system will help to improve fuel efficiency. Carbon neutral fuels emit practical zero emissions into the atmosphere during all the manufacturing to use. Well, Toyota should consider distinguishing characteristics each power generation method, such as renewable and thermal power generation. Well, in this slide, I'm going to talk about process mapping of sustainable supply chain in vehicle production. Firstly, research and development of Toyota electrical vehicles. After that, material sources for manufacturing and preparation of electrical vehicles. After that, fuel cell stack productions and hydrogen infrastructure development for vehicle assembly. Moreover, testing and validation as well as certification and approvals for market launches and distribution of products in the market for customer supports and their feedbacks, which is very crucial for the business.
Hello everybody, I'm Rabiji Singh. Here I'm going to present this slide, project requirements and carbon neutrality, resources, human resources, producers, inspectors, engineers, laborers, and the material sources, automobile resources, raw materials, transportation, and the equipment, assumptions, trained people, resources management, inventory control, quality production analysis, R&D product design packaging, feedback from employees, right equipment, qualified people, and the costs. The total yearly cost will be estimated at 480,789,407, and the operating cost may differentiate, especially regarding the cost of transportation, bringing new materials. Well, in the next slide, the cost breakdown. The process of dividing the cost of something into the different parts that make up the total amount according to who is doing the work, what materials are needed, etc. This is the detailed cost breakdown of the cost involved in the Toyota company. And the first one is raw material and the quality. quality year, unit cost, tax per year, and the total cost. First is lithium. Lithium 12 million tons and in a year. Unit cost is zero point 0.4 euro. The tax of year 5,600,500 and the total cost will be 68,956 and the next is polymers and the batteries. Then it comes to the rubber 12.5 million tons in a year and the to a unit cost is 0.05 euros and the total cost will be 45,621 euro. And the manganese, next is manganese, 600 million 680,000 and the unit cost will be 0.225. The tax per year will be the 600 660 680,800 million and the total cost will be 3,567,467 and the next is platform marketing advertising and the cost will be 39,107,390 approximately and advertising Facebook 0.24 pence for per click, website 1.22 pence to 7 pounds 27 pence. And here is a financial statement you can see here. Well, in this slide, a work breakdown structure is a project management tool that used a step-by-step approach to complete large project by dividing a project into smaller pieces. And this work breakdown structure is divided into 5 parts: planning, sourcing, manufacturing, distribution. Follow first planning. Define project objectives, define project director, and next one is sourcing, create data collection plan, perform measurement analysis. Third is manufacturing, validate analysis results, perform root cause analysis. And the fourth one is distribution, perform brainstorming, implementation action plans. And the fifth is follow up, finalize process controls, implementation control plan, and project closure. And in the distribution, the implement an action plan refers to the developed outsourcing tool. It converted to 4 parts: and design phase, development phase, testing phase, deployment phase. Design phase is formed to the 2 parts: work. First is work order module design phase, work order creation page design, and another one is module design phase, creation page design, and in the development phase, configure control, baseline the code. In the testing phase, unit testing, investigation testing, and regression testing. And at development phase, client server development. Well, Gantt chart is a project management tool that illustrates work completed over a period of time in relation to time planned for work. And Gantt chart illustrates the years and its main tasks as planning, sourcing, manufacturing, distribution, and the follow-up. All these tasks help teams to plan work around deadline and properly allocate resources. Thank you.
Well, my name is Prabjot Singh. Now I'm going to talk about the importance of stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagements provides tends to be an important factor in organizational dynamics, such as processes the chances of success more efficiently.
It develops commitment with multiple kind of financial and success partners such as sponsorships, external partners, and many more. Now I'm going to talk about it helps authorize to develop collaboration with external business partners such as keeps satisfied. One's management and sponsorship users, communities, employees, and suppliers are important. Now I'm gonna talk about the supply chain risk, log management, and supply risk, consumer and employee safety, corporate high level demand, and ecosystem quality initially impact the supply chain management of an automotive firm. Accordingly, supply risk at bottom position with the highest impact where the corporate level is lowest, impacting the factor over supply chain performance. High demand in the market leads automating firms is to increase their production, which balances their supply chain demand. Accordingly, consumer power determines and triggers the supply and demand level in the market. Now I'm gonna talk about the business effect analysis. Connection with suppliers are very essential thing in business. In this approach can badly impact over business and corporate level appear to be strong tactic and inspection for organizational integrity. However, has no direct impact over organizational change accumulation, and furthermore, employee health and safety are very important factor in an organization. It impacts over supply chain directly through lowering employee engagement. In last, I'm going to talk about the in case of high demand organization, will focus on robust increasing of manufacturing. However, it will impact over environmental wastages. Now I'm going to talk about the recommendation cost and quality. In boosting what effectiveness, Tota is recommended to all signify the area to inefficiency and waste generation. Labor costs are to be reduced and investment should be made in implementing advanced technology. Supply chain management is to be standardized through effective communication with suppliers. This practice will reduce inventory costs and enhance overall quality management. Furthermore, areas of improvement and high waste production are to be signified and managing inventory costs with sustainable quality development. Now I'm going to talk about the recommendation flexibility and speed. Tota is suggested to build multiple manufacturing cells with enough space efficiently. Tota is renowned for its commitment to flexibility and speed in manufacturing processes. One key recommendation for enhancing flexibility and speed within the company could be in the implementation of lean manufacturing principles. This approach focuses on reducing waste, increasing efficiency, and empowering employees to identify and solve problems quickly, thereby improving flexibility and speed in production. Additionally, investing in advanced technologies such as automation and robotics can further streamline processes and enhance agility in responding to market demands. Regular training programs for employees to foster a culture of continuous improvement can also contribute to achieving greater flexibility and speed in Toyotas.
In this slide, as the project manager, let me break down our team structure and approach for you. Firstly, I'm at the helm of project, overseeing all aspects of its management. I work closely with my team, ensuring that each member understands their role and responsibility. Together, we prioritize sustainability resources in our management strategy aligned with our environment, social, and governance goals. Here is the list of all the references. Thank you.